Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2012 Chevy Camaro. Tools needed for this install is 1/4 screwdriver, 1/4 ratchet, 10mm socket, 7mm socket, T15 Torx, needle nose pliers, panel popper, wire crimper, T-tap connectors or quick connects, multimeter, flashlight, and safety glasses. Now let's get started. Here we have the vehicle on the lift to give you guys a better view of which bolts to remove. So go ahead and remove two 10mm bolts, securing the bottom of the bumper. After you open your hood, remove 6 plastic push pins, securing the top of the bumper. Next, we're going to remove two 10mm bolts. We have one on each side. Moving to the passenger side wheel, we're going to remove 2 push pins, securing the liner. Remove 3 T15 screws, securing the liner. Next, we're going to drop down the liner. After that, remove one 7mm bolt here. Next, we're going to remove 4 10mm bolts, securing the bumper. And last, go ahead and unplug the bumper harness. Just press down on the tab, disconnect. Now repeat the same process to the driver's side. Carefully unseat your bumper by sliding it straight back. Remove 4 7mm bolts, securing the headlight. Next, we're going to carefully unseat the headlight. We're going to lift it up. From here, we're going to disconnect the turn signal bulb by turning counterclockwise. Carefully set that aside. And unplugging the headlight. Slide back the red clip, press on the tab, disconnect. This next step, we have to transfer over this bumper bracket guide, and it's secured by 3 7mm bolts. We have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, go ahead and unseat your bracket. Set your old headlight aside. Bring over your Spyder headlight. Go ahead and seat the bracket. And reinstall the 3 7mm bolts. Next, you're going to want something clean and soft to set your headlight lens down on. Next, we're going to grab these 3 wires. Black being negative, yellow is turn signal, and white is the light bar. We're going to be installing male T-tap connectors on the ends. Get your wire crimper and crimp it. Pull it, make sure it's on there. Do the same to the other 2. Now we're ready to install our headlight. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder headlight. Grab your turn signal socket. Now you want to check the rubber gasket seal. Make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and install it to your headlight. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Now here I have the wires pre-tapped. So if you need further instructions on how to T-tap, you can find a link in the description. So you're going to grab our negative, connect that with negative. Next, you're going to grab your positive light bar wire. You're going to connect that to the positive parking light wire. And then your turn signal, you're going to connect this to your positive turn signal wire. After that, you're going to plug in your headlight. Slide the red clip to lock it. Make sure it's secure. You're going to set your wires aside and carefully seat your headlight. After that, reinstall your 4 7mm bolts, securing your headlight. For this last one, I'm going to use my needle nose pliers. Hold the bolt right there and drop it into the hole. Now we could repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your headlights, we could put the bumper back on. Reinstall two 10mm bolts, securing the top of the bumper. And reinstall the 6 plastic push pins. Moving back to the passenger side wheel, plug in your bumper harness. Make sure it's secure. Now reinstall the 4 10mm bolts, securing the bumper. And now reinstall your 7mm bolt. Reinstall 3 T15 screws, securing the liner. Go to reinstall the 2 push pins, securing the liner. Now we could repeat the same process to the driver's side. Reinstall 2 10mm bolts, securing the bottom of the bumper. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test our headlight functions.